Well, that was a long 7 miles.
It was.
But we are in Hillsborough River State Park, and we haven't been here in a while.
It looks pretty dry, doesn't it?
It does.
All right, let's see if they'll let us in.
Yeah. We're here early. We know they don't like early birds, but we are an early bird today.
Spot 92. Spot 92 at Hillsborough River State Park. This site has one water. It's got a fairly nice power pole with 50, 20, or 50, 30, and 20 amp power. I will say that the amp or the voltage here is pretty low. So it's about 115 to 118, and once you put a draw on it, it drops down to about 111, 110, which is about as low as you want to go. So they need to update their power grid a little bit. Had to put the awning out, a little bit of sun, but I think this will be a partially shaded spot, and we'll get some shade here in a little bit from this big old oak. And then we got a fire pit, wood. It's is that right? May 17th? May 15th. And my days are all missed up. Anyway, it's May 15th, and it's a warm one today. I broke out a sweat just setting up camp. Anyway, we're here for 2 nights. It's hit or miss on the campsites at Hillsborough River. This is a good site. It's level. It's got some shade, but I mean, you're really close. You're not going to get any privacy here, but that's fine. We will make do. I think we're gonna ride down to the rental place to see if they have kayaks available for tomorrow. But this park got hit pretty hard by the 2 hurricanes we had last year, and it was closed for about 6 months. Anyway, they've got it reopened. You can see that there's still a lot of tree damage, and some of the trails are closed, but the the rangers here have been really quick about getting this place cleaned up, and it looks nice. I mean, they're putting up new railings. Yeah, they're doing a good job. What'd you do, find an alligator that didn't bite, huh? Yeah. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite Blackwater rivers.
Mine too.
I mean, it's just friggin' pretty. These are sit-on tops.
No.
But that is like just
it's dense.
Perfect.
You have lots of shade.
Right, and it's a slow moving.
Slow, easy ride.
That's going to be a good kayak. I'm looking forward to it tomorrow.
Me too. We've been really lucky on being able to kayak at
Yeah.
so many of the parks.
It's the floodwater level. Yeah, all the way on top of that. And the river's way down here, so. And the river's really low right now because we're just,
That's what he said.
and we're at the tail end of our dry season.
Yeah.
Steep, so mind yourself, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
This is gonna be perfect tomorrow because tomorrow's gonna be like today.
Yeah. It's gonna be the exact same day.
And I'm really looking forward to it. I mean, look at that.
Oh yeah, this ride is gonna be sweet. This is the river I like.
Yeah.
I like Santa Fe too.
I do too. I do like these rivers though. Ready?
Yep. Go up one.
Yep.
Do it again.
Just walk our bikes. Here, water moccasin. There's your turtle.
Oh man, we're gonna see some turtles tomorrow.
Yeah, we are. You see them? Look at that.
Wow.
So pretty, isn't it? Whoa.
There's their turtle.
Yeah. All right, here comes a hot spot.
Oh yeah.
Whew.
It is hot today.
There's the bridge.
Yeah, there it is.
See if it's open. Nice and shady.
Now, hops. Here, with that in the background.
Oh, well, two closed trails down there. That's the Boehner
Boy,
Trail.
I love that trail.
That's a nice short trail, like 1 mile. And then there's like a 5 mile trail that goes along the river.
Yep.
Here you go. I'll get you right there. Let's go look at the middle. I'm gonna bounce it. That is so pretty.
Oh gosh, I mean that is a view right there.
It's downstream and this is upstream. I do like that they left that branch.
Yeah, I'm glad they left it there. It's pretty solid.
All right, here we go. At least these things withstand it.
Yeah.
Oh man, I love the state of Florida, but man, the summer's
Brutal.
and we're just starting.
Yeah, it's a long
Oh.
season.
It is.
Very long.
It's worth the winters though.
Yeah.
This is a nice palm tree right here. It's going right up through this thing. That is a nice palm tree. It made it all the way to where the sun is, Kel. That's what it wanted. Yeah.
And Hillsborough, in this area and the area that we used to do, have lots of shade.
Yeah, that's the good thing is there's just a lot of shade back in here. All right. We got to go look at the Hank Memorial Cypress tree.
Yep. Always think of Hank.
He liked this thing. It made him look so tiny. Didn't it?
Yeah.
I'm surprised this thing made it, but it did.
We can name this tree the Hankster.
Yeah, this will be Hank. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
That's an old tree, and it's a cypress tree, and it just, even though it's kind of rotty and stuff down here,
It's so pretty though.
it is beautiful.
Huh. Wonder what's in there.
Nothing. Me right now.
Nothing. Huh?
Get in there.
Since they're all sweaty.
Yeah, my eyes are sweaty, but underneath my sunglasses. All right. Let's see if we can make it to the rapids, or if it's still has a detour due to hurricane damage. These boardwalks are nice, aren't they? Hot. I don't know if we'll make it up to here in a kayak. There's a lot of obstacles. It's pretty. You ready? That breeze feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's light, but I can feel it.
It's enough when you got a little sweat going.
Yeah.
Ah, this is a pretty section right here as we come out, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's a raptor. That's what JJ would say. There's
He
a
would be saying that, wouldn't he?
yeah, there's a raptor out there.
He seems to like the raptors better, more so than any of them.
Look, that's poison ivy right there.
Oh yeah.
That 3-leaf stuff.
Don't get in it.
Yeah. I don't get it.
in Lindsay.
I don't get it like Lindsay does. All right, that was a good little walk.
Yeah.
Not a hike, not a hike, but a walk.
Better than nothing.
That's right.
Okay. Then get up here.
Yeah. All right. See if I can do it without wrecking.
Definitely. Good.
All right, we shall see if that catches. As soon as I lit the fire, the pot smoke went away. Somebody was having a good time.
Yes, they were.
I'm just mad they didn't invite me over. Street tacos. Pretty good. All right, we are fed, got our teeth brushed. It's I don't know, like 9:45 in the morning. We're gonna go walk down and rent us a tandem kayak.
We are on the Hillsborough. and it's going to be a really nice
Oh,
ride
it's gonna be a beautiful day.
because it's slow, it's lazy today, and we have very little current.
Very.
So here we go. Can't get much prettier than this. We have some Queen Anne's lace over there.
There's a turtle on the left, little baby one.
Oh, we have a turtle. He's gonna
Look at
get
the baby
in.
one.
Oh, look at the little one. Oh, you cute little thing.
Look at the one in the water. Swimming away from us now.
Those are some pretty cypress trees there. Man, it's gorgeous. Look at that, Tom.
Super pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's probably one of the prettiest rivers.
Yeah. And it being so low, we're really seeing the bases of those cypress trees.
We are, yeah. Headed to the palm tree.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the reflection.
Yeah.
See it? God, that's pretty, isn't it?
It really is.
Oh, we're gonna bend all around.
Well, we have a cypress here right in the middle of the river. Look at that.
That is so pretty.
Looks like a piece of artwork.
It does. Looks like somebody made it with their hands.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. There's another one right there.
Let me know if there's like a stump or something.
I don't see one so far. I think we're good. Good. Here we go.
Here we go.
Right through the cobwebs. No, I'm just kidding. We've seen 2 gators so far,
2 gators.
and 1 turtle and 1 baby turtle. Look at the palm trees. Tom's making a beeline to the palm tree that's going over the water. He likes for me to duck my head.
How close can I get her head?
That's pretty close. Look at this one.
That gator, I think he went under.
He did.
Look at
He's
the-
moving this way.
Look at the reflection.
Do you see him?
Oh,
He's
shit.
coming over here. That's pretty. Yeah, he's watching us. Ah, this feels good. There was a gator back there, but he did not want us coming around, so we
Yeah, he was a little
decided
bit,
to take a detour.
He's a little bit more aggressive than that.
Look at that.
Oh my god, that thing's healthy too.
Yeah, and it's hanging on by a thread.
Right. Oh, shade.
Here, gator, gator. Where are you?
So pretty. So pretty, huh?
Yeah.
There's a little shade.
Ah, needed it.
There's a little
That's it.
shade for you. Some crazy reflections.
It found some support and said,
It's
I'm
funny
grabbing it. Look how it turned.
Yeah. Oh yeah, to get this to the sun, that's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like that'd be a good place for an alligator, but not. It's kind of nice by here.
It is. We are not going to bother you.
We mean you no harm, snake bird. He's checking us out though, isn't he?
Yep.
He's keeping his eye on us.
Oh, he's pretty.
bobcat.
It is.
That's a bobcat right there.
Oh my gosh.
Where'd he? Oh man, he's gone.
Right there. He's right there.
Oh he is. That's a. Those are pigs. Those are feral pigs. Those were feral hogs,
Oh
Cal.
my.
Oh,
We
man.
saw 3 of them. Did you see the colors of them?
Yeah, they were spotted and stuff. That's a pretty cypress tree up there.
Yep. Right in the middle.
Pretty.
I like that.
I do too. The babies look just like them. They're funny, aren't they?
Yeah. We saw a big, fat, big boy gator back there.
It was a baby.
I think he was a little too lazy to do anything. It looked like he had just eaten by the size of his belly. I could be wrong, but I think he had a full belly and he was sleeping.
It did look like he had a full belly.
Yeah. There's our palm tree.
That little kid still fishing.
We shall see.
Hope we can make it over this palm.
Here he is. He's got a lot of stuff on his shelf. Woo.
Cooking bird.
It's hot out in this section.
Gotta get around this. That's a perfect alligator. That is a perfect alligator, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a second one.
Where?
Just in front of him. See him?
Yeah. Unbelievable.
I love being right up against the shore.
I do too.
The one's covered in moss.
That's it.
He is a soft shell.
Yeah, he is. They're just hanging out together.
2 different types of turtles. Hanging out, being friends. Why can't people be like
I
that?
know. We could learn a few things from nature, right?
Yeah, especially from dogs.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right, that was a good paddle.
It was.
Now we get to do our half-mile walk back to the campsite. But I think we saw 11 or 12 alligators, which isn't a whole lot, but it's a lot for when the water's this low, and it's fun. What else we see?
Turtles.
Oh yeah, some pigs. We saw some wild pigs.
Some wild pigs. Some for birds.
All right, we were in spot 92 at Hillsborough River State Park. Our bad spot, partial shade here. But it does get warm. It's summertime, and there's no privacy. You got campers all around you, so it's a lot like Highlands Hammock. The power grid needs to be updated big time, because it hovers around 112 in the daytime, and every now and then it drops below 108. We had our power kick off twice yesterday. And again, their grid, power grid just can't handle the all the people running ACs. Anyway, we're out of here going.
A hot stay at Hillsborough River, but we survived. We got
did.
to kayak and do some fun things, but it was hot.
It was steamy.
Well, time to go home for a few days before we go to Colorado.